Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm bringing Tuttio along with me on a ride. It's a nice day out, it's not too cold. See these freaking roads that Danbury's trying to fix, bruh. This side of Danbury's ass cheeks. They haven't done shit. But like main street looks nice. I mean, before that shit used to look trenches, bro. That shit used to look trenches. It used to look like ass cheeks. But for the meantime, I cannot take my e-bike down this road. Like, I literally gotta go through around Bethel. I gotta take a whole circle. Let's see my baby girl. Oh, she's chilling. Mom. She's been chilling. It's fucking great. I need to learn how to do that because I don't know how to adjust them. But I don't know, dude. The day feels so nice. It's not too cold, it's just it feels nice. Yo, shout out to Chipotle, bro. Chipotle be pushing, bro.
Nick Minute.
No. You know what's better than Chipotle? Salsa Fresca. Salsa Fresca is so much better, bro. Ooh, yo, we're doing a Salsa Fresca food review. Now check out my meat cheese. Mouth. She's so cute, she's gonna get out. Mama, you okay, Mama? Go over there. You got so much to explore in this damn house. God damn it, bro. Go explore the house.